Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll want fresh, vibrant vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions, which form the aromatic base. Next, select a good quality quinoa and remember to rinse it well under cold water to remove any bitterness. Finally, choose a delicious broth, whether it's vegetable for a vegetarian option or chicken for a richer flavor. These simple steps ensure a great start to your hearty soup. Now let's get cooking. Begin by sautéing your chopped carrots, celery, and onions in a large pot with a little olive oil. Cook them until they're softened and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, add your thoroughly rinsed quinoa and pour in your chosen broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let it cook until the quinoa is tender and has absorbed much of the liquid, typically around 15 minutes. This process builds the foundation of your delicious soup. To truly elevate your quinoa soup, focus on enhancing its flavor. This is where herbs and spices come into play. Consider adding dried thyme, bay leaves, or a pinch of cumin for a warm, inviting taste. Towards the end of the cooking process, stir in some fresh leafy greens like spinach or kale. They'll wilt beautifully and add extra nutrients. Finally, taste your soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's perfectly balanced to your liking. These small additions make a big difference. Your delicious quinoa soup is now ready to be served. Ladle it hot into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or parsley for a burst of color and flavor. This nutritious and satisfying meal is perfect for any occasion and can be enjoyed by the whole family. It's a comforting dish that's both healthy and incredibly tasty. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. We hope you love making and sharing this wonderful soup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.